In this video, we're going to take a look at paragraph tags in HTML working in Visual Studio Code. Let's get started. Now I want to take a look at my p tags. I type my opening and closing p tag. I come to my p tags and I paste in some dummy text. Our p tags specify a paragraph HTML element. It is a block level element and it can only contain inline elements. Let's preview it. We do a right click on the PC, a control click on the Mac, and we click open with Live Server. Again, Live Server is an extension that I added to VS Code. You can also preview this page by just double clicking and opening your index.html. I see my P element has my dummy text, and automatically it has spacing between heading 6 and the P element. Let's add another p tag. We have our opening and our closing p tag, and I'm going to type a line. Let's save and preview. I can see as I go from one p tag to the other that automatically it has spacing between the two p tags. Our p tags define a paragraph.